Empanimfo say aboa ne de agya enya ne kwa. Enti TikTok Asante branch ene Kwaku Annan abe reply Bobbie Ansah. Bobbie Ansah be attack AVOSA, that is Ashanti Defense Force AVOSA. Emo that kan kwa chira san former seb na no go tia yiwura. No. Oh, ma be reply Bobbie Ansah. Penyah nkonko am we sia no ni anche. Oh, da bia munye ni se be keka nkwase ade a no ma be reply na e koyenim. Aha ye Penyah block media. Let's say any DM. Obe like video no that am subscribe button so. Now be click the notification icon of latest update. Now be chire wa agenda mommy e wo comment section. Let's so baso. No a shame from so enya bi ahwe. Ebuzian say Asantehene AVOSA na se no. Ne won kofuko bi a omu sha atare. Omu kan de no. Se kutu se ba. Ya twere omachi Ashanti Defense Force. Ana omanim no ya twere AVOSA bozi ebo omanim. Na AVOSA we mu no. Na se omu dwuma de nyina na se omu no mo bo Ashanti ho ban. Menhia infio no omu ye Security Defense Force. Father say ah omu ho no is omu ebo bandi it to e wo ho no. Eni sa enkofuko ya kra na Kwaku dia akwaya say wadane kwa mituan new version of kwa mituan 2025 version of kwa mituan. Also be ye na say e ma voice afekura pamon. O ma amodo ma nya no hwe. Pom pam ana Bobbie Ansah e bi address e. Na Bobbie Ansah address kwa o say di tro. Ade an Otumfuo Asantehene ene ba ho ana omu ko bo ne pamon no.
When we say ene emrante bi ehihye military camo ya almost here from Ashanti Defense Forces. Nadia yemi yani. Almost a prophet Odro aka sembia fa eye yewura kotokohene Otumfuo. Na eye no okochi aye no. Ena yes Defense Forces for no. Etu agunu so say omo bebo no ahye ne ka.
Biwa na Kwaku Odro mpo ne bai. What does it? Enya Kwaku Odro. Hai Bobbie Ansah to aso a. Hai ono do no nso nkwase asem sebe. Se yewura kra de so Ashanti Defense Force so onu Bobbie Ansah on some kwase asem so on support ade we that. Say Bobbie Ansah kasa ye won kwan. Na kwan we na okwan ye no. Ana we akọ TikTok Asante branch. TikTok Asante branch. Omu jenina omu chama bra mtia no. What say? In charge of Minister in charge of TikTok Asante branch affairs. Me na metiano dey be see your man with trouble. What is that? 80 me no more am know there. As someone ko eke there. O ba plan. Just go be that so busia. Kwaku Annan. Any TikTok is for no. I be apply. Bobbie Ansah ne fa ne nkwase ade a obeke kan ye no. What is?
Now you can bring one of the finest, one of a revered king of Ashanti, his image, put his image there. And then on top of the image comes what? An effigy. And the Nigerian High Commission in Ghana sat quiet, zip. The Nigerian High Commission, zip. And you, Chukwudi, portraying, representing the Nigerian community over here, you kept quiet. And you want us to keep quiet? No, man, we ain't going to shut up. We're going to teach you a lesson. I want any Ghanaian to raise an arm over your friend is AVOSA for the we are Ghanaian here raise AVOSA for the I've heard some people talking about AVOSA. You better shut up. I don't want to get pissed off. Any Ghanaian be a man so be didi AVOSA for them. I swear God, I don't want to be provoked to be mentioning names. By the way, Otumfuo said to what's AVOSA and so what? Why? Go and check the history. Go and check history all over. Queen Elizabeth knows you. Queen Elizabeth, even though Britain or mine I see her, it's being governed by why the Prime Minister says, "I want to a cake, Starmouse, whatever his name is." Your British Royal one why now go. I didn't think from Royal. The British Army is there, but Queen Elizabeth and so on a soldier for and then a slave for or the bomb who buying who buying. King of Swaziland, one more soldier for and so on or Nippon who buying. Kohifa, Switzerland, any other places, Australia, Canada, Bebia, Ahinsembia Wobiara. By the way, let me tell you guys. Tradition came before politics, so nobody's talk that nonsense. So Otumfuo Atina soldier folk na here then. Into so what? Won't you say go to hell? Why? The chieftaincy institution was there before your stupid, foolish politics. How dare you people? Anamuniwana. Edem cross the same no. I've heard some kind of some talk is that I am Otumfuo Asantehene yate chale me esi ni nisu ana Otumfuo fence a paramilitary group a dear na fine anamuni we are seeing a baby ahinsen wo biara ah by the way that na any demonstration planante ni pe bebre mpo nim say there is something called what fence Ashanti fence volunteers security association AVOSA comes beneath its wing called Ashanti Defense Force. Yes, it has come to stay. As long as ubetimi protected, no nothing before no crown near you have Otumfuo say our brafo now. Our brafo no omabekun bi. One more year medjuma. Before your democracy came, and then we had all this army and all of that, our chieftaincy institution have run their own army. Anamuni, they run their army. How? Please, Munya Dedeno. AVOSA for no right to have disciplined Chukudi. Na me say, woman de no channel. Woman de Chukudi who channel. And Chadium the Ben will come say, Tombe brim na mumu say, yeah, because no one person may say, you know. Now, dear Nan Tombe, near share this Nigerian unscrupulous rogues and scavengers if they will open their mouth and talk. You were lucky enough. Chukudi was lucky enough. The game plan, the roadmap, how all the interact would have been disciplined mercilessly. I am telling you, what it means is that we don't need you guys here on our soil. You better move out. Okay? We don't care. Whatever a government will do, a government will say. Why? For what? Government is government. They should do their own thing. We are also here. We have every right to protect all our chiefs in this country. You are not under our protection. Have you seen how you embarrass? You embarrass. You are ashamed. Wenim eguasi. Wenim eguasi. Wenim eguasi. Folks.
Almost a prophet Odro aka sembia fa ewura kotokohene Otumfuo na eye no akwachi no defense forces for no etu agunu so se omo bebo
eto da bia o ya na me ya pa se me ye video na enipa na me ye video na about him no ana hair no e penyini che me na eye me ya serious but penyini for so aka se de otwa sanonim se na chi achia e bia we penyini de but onim se na chi achia one asem na waka no nukwe bi anim sofu kofi oduro na oboni din no wamba yi na se enti ada na Otumfuo ahwefo na din Otumfuo atiefo na na omakoka se sofu oduro ko Asantehene yi no omakobo no nse nka mu ye panyini why radio na che anameboa why radio na che ndika oti asema ka ube dive into it ka won sori mbejimi panyi toto ti sewo onso waja ho masawe man ka no kwenchire nkofo ni bi wo kromu a unum se me jai kasa kora wo no ma bi hu but e hu se ye mi anu ankofo bi pese o kire se o ma no odene asem no mo ka no so no kure nim we se wasore betena radio so twa ntoro ato Asante Defense Forces for no so utwa ntoro one we se uhu video a omo ebo so Kofi Oduro which is lies, which is never true. Bibia sense yo so Kofi Oduro was never there. Ye fro bi se Kwaku duo so hwan ene ba ho ene kro ba ho no led by Captain Nimonyamfo Nyansani okwa omo bi afo mo san kanipa no ka kire se be me na tu ka akọ nipa ahun penasem de nipa won ka sem pamfa no ho nua ba wu oba yi na sa be dey obe passem oba na ke nipa no sa ka na ya se but before some kura mo jimi fo mbagene na ye nyansafo ne adwene dada wo ana ye ka de ko na akire mo se mo kan ne mfi mu a ana mpanyifo bi nti ye ne tete ye anya ye se de aye mo na muguo na sabi mo so ra jimi sem bia na mo da bi ye tete ye nti eto bi na mo kasa na mfi mu a ana tete ye ni mu ntia nkamu de kamu nsum kamu niano
ene ye kasa akira badwembafo ene ye kasa akira nyansafo abusua mo papa no other screen so no an wona ne ebedi ne ho nkomo wa wonim ne bia ye friend Bobbie Ansah me ya bofra ketekete ena meti ne din ewo FM so manyini ama mani afi still oda so ti konso achi na nka obi a sabi omo a omo ye journalist adwuma say much more me hu bebre eluku up to you there o ba be kan asema wo say we due diligence ansa no ba be kan eso enam otan ahoya eni bre like inti yimunti wantimi ankoye investigation and waba betena and or cancel insimhunu ekire nipa bi a minnim na dwem ponti a wode yesa na mempese mese momre no monje mre na monhwe ne nsem kan ne bi o kan ye wi a ye beto
ka na so bosi muntia me se me ka kira me boss edudi Felix Kwame Jabna wa Jimi Dodo me boss edudi na obusa me se mention one na da se edu no yesi misuro no me ka se edu ase won se mention one boys ya omo wo ni nyina hwan e na oso ya Asantehene wom do ina oso ya Asantehene wom na Asantehene be ne betimi akonzongo so enzongo ahimfie akodi sa emrantu asem no omu wia na nkrofo didi asantefo atem omu didi atem a na se edunum na akwa tete enti Asante Defense Force na so idini na gu akire o na omu a omu se atare num no anya asantefo omu wia na omu ankrofo ase atwa omu ase didi asantefo atem enso eye se edunum efrinra maka adewei makasa
you are disgrace to this country we are nguasiefo we are mambofo ubo mai maniye me ka kiro ugina wo se omo sha Asante Defense Force for ni na yentafo na Asantehene bia ni misi wu emetna media so anan kotna okunso achi na nye bosiri mu kansem ho misi wu me amegina ya me nada me ka Asante Defense Force for ye commander na ye captain na emom ni obi a na be ba gina media ne so na oba be kire nsem mu Asantefo bebre e wo Asante Defense Force ni nti se woni masem a embegina wona meka na wo ye nguase ni wo se gina ho ka se eden omo ye mranto asem me pese me musa wo eye na course no mranto asem ba ko bei na hu se se bi enwa ma pepefo a na omo sha Asante Defense Force no omo ye wo ho question na me pese me musa wo ni mranto asem be na omo ye se omo ebo ban omo afiri omo pem so omo beso Asante nti omo aka omo ho abom ebo ban na ye mranto asem na ana so bi be kasa eti a chiame eni Asantefo na wasa tutu ne ntuma se oba yie na se na ose wakasa eti a chiame nti oma wunrem tuka akwa asumdwem abra video eda ho a obi amfa ne nsanka obi a enipa ne tu de ka akwa no na ye mranto asem no mranto asem ne se obi akwa ka bibi no akosa region ne so ni akwa akoku no ene na woni kromu ana wo ye ni guasefo nyame betwia wo ka nyame ebetwia wo ka otan hunu no unya hwe mfirim adan yeti kromu ana ye nwa pole ebe kan se football e kan nipa bom obeka kire se has be call relegation den kan so atremanko may he so rest in peace owie ye obetwe na no sign o se has na kotokobo a onyeska na so atremanko relegation dia enkaye nti has be call den so atremanko obetwe na no sign ebegina okon so atremanko wo ne sekan ku no unti kromu a emranto asem be ne chance na se obi ekaseti a chiame na wo ba yie ni oso oma nwuram a eno na ye emranto asem na omo nkyere me video ba ko a obi a o sha Asante Defense Force ejeti a obi a sabi human rights for betimi aka ho asem oye mambofo enipa opentiti mo yemfa wo kyekere mai enim gu asense be na to a wo kan Ghana nko a ena ahoye a ne ani bere ahye yema se obi suma Asante a na ye moya na asem a wo ka senyansa wo ma aso me pese me musa wo samo okromu a na mo yere no ana mo planfo anyanyem no mo ko US UK so mo ko wo mo ba mo professor ye mo green card ye mo chronic passport na mo mananya citizen mi wa mo bia mo ye Ghana fo but mo pese mo manya citizen wo na so be free northern region and also be free other tribe no ba Asante region ne ye be wo no na akwa na adopti Asantefo su ana mo ban na so mpame no papa no tete wo na mse environment o mu mi Asantefo nto mu nyini no mka so mbe so Asanteman dia musimu nti bi da e yentafo nti e mranto asem. What kind of nonsense is that? What kind of nonsense is that? And yes, a near Canada, na senyansa wuma. And ye mon kan kire se so obi eye frafreni, obi ye dagare ni obi ye sesare ni dia, eni kwan so mo asaten kotoko. Anaso obi a mo tribal wo no time wo so na obi abo. Na ye den na babanyara. Ball kotoko, na ye sports stadium ye babanyara. Na ne de munhu ho asem nkan. Ni ati kromu ase na ye de ohini jan to a class sports stadium nkan fo nim so ya Asantehene to mo so mo ntia ase. Emo mo change din no ɛno ne nyɛ mmeranto asɛm na yɛ agyi nipa bom ne deɛ mo se ɔmo yɛ mmeranto asɛm because obi bɛkɔ akɔ ne kuromfoɔ bi ɛbɛkɔ akɔdidi asantefoɔ atɛm nyansa bɛ ne wɔ asɛm a wɔka yi yɛte kurom a asantefoɔ mmienu akasa twɛ ɔmo ho ko all in the name of politics we were party A we were party B ɔmo bɛtwa ɔmo ho ako adidi ɔmo ho atɛm doesn't mean say affect asantefoɔ nyinaa na yɛte kurom a akanfoɔ yɛ akyi emu adidi ɔmo ho atɛm all in the name of chieftaincy doesn't mean say affect asantefoɔ nyinaa na yɛ kurom a ɔsom worship we kɔ asɔre we kɔ asɔre etwa ɔmo didi asantefoɔ atɛm ɛne deɛ wohu for bi ewum na sɛ tani bi ebedidi asantefoɔ atɛm bi a o say ntafo na sha Ashanti defense force no mu krofo be di atem miwa akanfo adidi omo atem miwa asantefo adidi omo atem ya do chichiri man enye yi o ye mambofo o mpen kabomu e na sabi wasema o kan nyansa ba akokura ani o ye panyi o kan kabomu sem o kan nyansa sem o dwere nko kan nyansa no ba bekasa mimi si hu me se o mo nkyere me mranto asem ba ako a wo mo sha Ashanti defense force for ye se nya otani ahoya se obia ni wa oya Asantini me se me ya Asantini ko ne ko check Ashanti defense force for ko your WhatsApp platform so ne ko check se me nka ho a otan hu be ni wo mo de mo professor mo ma enya ekura ya makọ wo mo e wo so e passport no mo nsum kuro mu na me busa wo uko US uko UK uko Russia omo military no e ya na e de kuro mu ofo nko ana e ya na e mo won na minim se obi a wanyini bia na ni nyansa but there bi enema asesa some ko UK ana US a omo ye military for na omo ho no e ye kromo ofo nko ana e ana ana omo fa ahwo I have been in Qatar before omo military omo police personnel okwa e foreigners nko ana 90% e foreigners. What sort of nonsense is that? It is so be a Ghana ni no need choose so be some tribe be there or say on yes our tribe ni no on TB that that ben won't Asantini be so no say be obeko sirim said they work and also be call that tribe so Kwaku son no mo so mo ngina wo ka say obeko zongo na Asantini betimi akọ say on na enko so Kwaku yi omo ko omo nya inimu said they wo ye inimu no ya do chichiri man enye yi wo ye mambofo obi a opentiti mu bi a wo ye mamboni Bobbie Ansah wo ye mambofo you should be ashamed of yourself or tiny doors so dodo me pesa won che me manto asem ba ko amrante ne ye obekire me a ne ye hu se ampa se ni se no mo ye mranto asem o tan nyina ne se omo ye mpepefo no mo sha Ashanti defense force no mo na ye omo do omo ho no so mbe so Ashanti a enkefa ho be
Bobbie Ansah didi kan watwa ntro. That's the first thing I want to bring to your attention. Say watwa ntro won kan okre. What did intro sir from Hello FM sir na de aba besi baby awusi. See baby amone nam no kwa na mo be ye adwuma. E bia wo ntro nim no amo atimi asidan bi amo atimi ahwe ma bi wanya wo car bi it's fine. Eno no obi amfa ho. Ba baby awudidi kono sebi mpraduasa. Se wo feel say waso afofra akofo mango bia obefo electricity polar ebe shocky wo ya Asantefo ne mane ya social media no so no some of these nonsense would never go unattended to what can try in the first place eye na hefa na prophet Kofi Odu na wo kana so no baby ono betia ba ho prophet Kofi Odu betia ba menhia ho ontimi ma ho after so gina na so dan ni mu ayese chaos kana okeka no kwase ase no can he even pass by no opemso na ase tuchinyam kese ohene mi mudi wi abisi ono de oye man of peace ti obo obegena na ye mu bi de yehuna ye mani ndu Otumfuo humpu Otumfuo nicha ahyene so in the first place what can throw for wasam kope baby tina 2 why are you crying more than the bereaved Bobbie Ansah obi anya na eyi na nipa na wanya eyi na asamato no onsu iwo a eyi ni mfa ho no waje eyi na tawo ni ase na wusu sa what is your motivation what's your beef what actually is your problem why are you trying to lose sleep over this why must this be your headache why Ashanti defense force no sebi mpraduasa say yankwase adwuma enanya ade bia mfaso so a yennuanim sremfo ne mpepefo no mum no o man ka so mon complain ye why are you complaining anye bi o mum no oba bi wom bushani bi wom o fase bi wom what is srem ni bia na se pepe ni bia ba bonta be complaining so I'm asking again why are you crying more than the bereaved say wo hu Ashanti defense force ne say a vigilante group on very good we are sedudi a chire ya no usuan dudi kan nante mo political parties na MPP ni NDC no some of vigilante groups me boy Invisible Forces me boy, Delta Forces me boy, Azoka Boys me boy, Burger Bulldogs me boy. Na no amukọ akwatia no. Wo NDC party na wo mu. Se Azoka, so for Azoka, why no don ba ho no. O man panyi betimi a movie. Aside all the security apparatus e dia ma no no. Osa of vigilante bodyguards ya no garden me boy. Ekufa the time yehu bi meboa ba omi eba yehu se bounces e memo mo soso wa edi ni nifa ne benkum so prapra kwam protecting Dr. Baumia. Yes, and no it's okay meboa. More politicians need the munim nyansa say as a more protective one that is so dear to your heart. Na yen traditionalists need you need say nyansa ne meboa. Ashanti Defense Force, it has come to stay, whether you like it or yes. So shut up, brah. Unim nyansa nsi ubia. In any case, si yenu anum pepe for no nkwa ne guma ntinkadien. Granted without admitting si yenu anum pepe for ni slim for nkwa ne guma ntinkadien. Ehuna na ase pai. The concept Asante Kingdom na nkasa won ti ase. Ye kasa Asante ya ka say Asante no, it goes beyond tribal a kingdom. And kingdom be an amalgamation of people from diverse backgrounds coming together to form a kingdom. When you fight and take territory and I say who take dominion over a people on the count and Nintina Sanfunyansem Yebu baby say Asanten Kai Sabena Yebu Nipa Bintiasia no mamis country say Asanfo yon grateful Ninkai no Asanten Kai because once you align yourself with us the entire background in baby ufeno in here you and Nintina Sampa for Omi and Afana for and some can Santa Cancer. Have you asked yourself why? Se kumbi sorry in an unlikely event na sampa for at the army bar obeka say ade intina sampa for what bodam what a microphone say maka say many idiots are sitting behind the microphone. You people shouldn't be giving microphones to idiots to be speaking to the people. What a microphone chief also a journalist, yet you can't understand this simple thing. Na sebi in Penyah Otumfuo memo di we so hene the Mensha Palace in just a street and a separate Mensha Palace and the Zongo need to ma kwesi se bia kwatia lai e kwa yare wa ho Zongo for no mto no why na dia asase ne momo ti dia omote na asase so no if they are protecting sanipa na omai bone Otumfuo di asemo Mensha Zongo hiniti mu bi na na Asantehene dot ye no ahu Otumfuo won kramofo akomfo unim nyansa kra wo Bobbie Ansah no unim nyansa from titini na wo nyansa da enti emu bia nya ye nwa so abeka sankwasa semwi okay na Zongo ni ono sebi Penyah so fi sand man ase boko na baby aba santimem abetra ha bo ne brain na wo ne ma bie ne nwuma si ne fie e wa ha no se ofi say or fasi bi na o fasi no wants to protect one or something that is dear to the heart also why bone ho don't we have Ghanaian citizens omo US military nim and British military nim omo nim de omo ye meboa sa Asante ye kasa Asante ye maya don't you understand Asante man? So if Ashanti say na yate ho say a country and a nation on our owner your military no you definitely find people are sebi Penyah omon come say nkwa ombe wo mu bi. So if you don't understand for Tikobo we don't give a hoot to you Bobbie Ansah even reserve the moral temerity to talk about vigilantism. Wo Bobbie Ansah why na vigilantism semba Ghana ha enya ndisi for nyamwa Burger Bulldogs so far Zoka boys yenim nye Ghana ha na ne wo and MPP for so sebi Penyah omo susu nim de omo yenti omo kope ye ene ko wi mu mi no sen enti sie po bia vigilantism no betimi de wo abagana ha mu mi no. So shut up bra unim nyansa nsi bia na nye Ghana ne so nsam fon so a panyin toto te se wo wabo nso nyina kra wo ye no ma wo fie se wo ye journalist wa beta consulate you are coming to broadcaster Ashanti Defense Force we Ashanti Defense Force no ene be ma galamse ne tu atwa na ene be ma mamu ne de ahye monsa na akoto otiana bra media ma Otumfuo boss say na some better mo microphone echi a you need what you people smoke sniff or inject yourself with a mo better say mo jeke gegege mo kasa bom ti say nika bia ne fan belt ayra bra you mu bia we have for some of you obe ka some 6:30 acha 6:31 see any coach we see we aye hwe ti asantem ni hu ne aso nketinketi ti a acha 6:31 the response baba
now the Bobbie Ansah na ni so da ho no na ni so da ho kire wa dwen ma me e wo comment section aha Penyah blog media